Faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars a month with simple videos that are easy to make. There are many examples of channels going viral using quiz or riddle type content. These videos are racking up millions of views. Reason being, they keep users engaged and curiosity piqued with each quiz or riddle. This increases the watch time. The level of engagement in these videos is much higher in this type of content. Just take a look at the comments section and you can see how much people love them. These channels get monetized quickly due to their viral success. In this video, we will look at how to use AI to generate this type of content and quickly create videos using Canva. The first step is to use ChatGPT to create the riddles. Now, if you just ask it to give you a list of riddles, the results will likely be subpar like this. So, you will want to give it a good prompt to get a higher quality response. This is how we will put it. Consider that you are a renowned riddles expert, and your task is to create 5 interesting riddles for your audience to solve. The riddles should be easy enough to engage and entertain the participants. Each riddle should have 3 options and only 1 correct answer. Please follow the table format provided below to present your riddles. Then, I will lay out the format and provide the AI with an example. As you can see, it did not provide riddles in the table format we wanted in. Sometimes it can be finicky like that. Simply ask it to put the riddles into a table format. I also didn't like how wordy the hooks were, so I asked it to shorten them down. I tried to get ChatGPT to generate 100 more riddles, but it looks like there is a limit of 10 at a time. That's okay. You can just keep asking ChatGPT to create 10 riddles over and over again until you are satisfied with the amount that you want. Now you will want to copy all of the riddles into a Google Sheet for easier use. If you want to use the copy button in ChatGPT and then paste it into Google Sheet, you might get a weird result like this. You can paste them by manually copying all the contents of the table and then pasting it into Google Sheet. And then you can copy the rest of the riddles into the Google Sheet. For step 2, we will be working in Canva to actually create the YouTube short. Open up canva.com and search for YouTube Shorts. Select YouTube Short, then click on Create Blank. First, we are going to work on the background. Click on the Elements tab and search for the type of background you want. For this, we will be searching for motion lines. Drag and position the element you want onto the screen. Now, go to the Text tab and select Add a Heading. Copy the text from the first column of your Google Sheet and paste it into the heading. You can adjust the text size and position, and choose the font style you prefer. To enhance the visibility of the text, let's add a square background. Select the square shape, adjust its size, and pick a color of your choice. Now, you may want to add a black overlay depending on if your background is too bright and making the text hard to read. You can add a black overlay and adjust the opacity to your liking. To ensure the text is positioned in front of the overlay, right-click, select Layers, and select Send Backward. Next, it's time for the riddle text. Head back to the sheet and grab the next text, paste it in, and select a font and style that suits. You can make the text all caps by selecting the button beside the strike through button. Now let's add an illustration. For this, let's search for pointing up. Let's throw in some motion to bring the short to life. Click Animate and browse the options to see what you like. Add it to every element on screen. Now for an important step. Right-click the text layer and select Show Timing. This lets us control when the elements pop up or fade out. Now let's copy the next part of the riddle and paste it here. We'll need a background. Click on Effects and in the style, select Background because this will adjust based on the text. Select the colors as you'd like for the text and the background. And adjust the screen timing. Let's add an animation to this part as well. Now, let's repeat this process for all three options of our riddle. To copy an element, hold down Alt and click and drag an element on the screen. Make sure that new elements appear on screen when previous elements disappear. You can do this by using the Show Timing option on each element. Let's see how it all looks so far. To keep people engaged, let's add another animation to make the options pulse. Now let's add a timer to keep things interesting. You can adjust the timer accordingly in the Show Timing option. Repeat the same process for the answer, adjusting the size and color to make it stand out. Make sure to adjust the timing of the answer. We will see the final outcome momentarily. But still, something is missing. We need to add music. Now, to avoid copyright issues, use the YouTube Music Library, which can be accessed through the YouTube Studio from your channel and selecting audio. You can then download and upload this to Canva. Let's add one last element to celebrate the answer. And here is what the short looks like now. You can then easily download this short and upload it to YouTube. YouTube will automatically upload it as a short because it fits the dimensions of 1080 by 1920 and it is under 60 seconds long. This was all made with the free version of Canva. I did not sign up for the free trial, which only lasts 30 days anyway before you have to pay. That's not something I wanted to do. Most of the creators will tell you to sign up for the trial so Canva gets your info, since they are partnered with them. In the paid version of Canva, you can bulk create these by linking elements of your video to fields in the Google Sheet, so that Canva can create a mass amount of these videos with different text. You can take this route if you want, but you'll have to sign up for the paid version of Canva and give them your credit card info. You could try for 30 days and then cancel it before it expires. I didn't want to go down this route and end up getting charged, especially because this type of short can easily be manually duplicated with a little bit of copy and paste action. It takes 30 seconds to create a new riddle short. Simply duplicate this short and copy new riddles from the Google Sheet into the different elements of the short. And in about 30 seconds, we have another short just by copying and pasting. You can have hundreds of shorts in a couple of hours, without signing up for anything. I hope this video provided you some value. Please comment below if you have any questions or have suggestions for other content you want to see. And hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Thank you.